Let's start our Winter Wonderland by building a little snowman from a few items in the Delightex gallery. Duplicate a sphere by choosing Duplicate in the item inspector, or by holding down the Alt key on your keyboard. Move and scale the copies to form the main body. Then add smaller black spheres for the eyes and mouth. To change a sphere's color, open the item inspector and select Material. You can duplicate items either by holding Alt or by choosing Duplicate in the inspector. We can also add a few buttons to the body to make the snowman a bit more interesting. Of course, we need a carrot for the nose. Just move it into position like this. To place a hat on his head, use the Attach feature. Almost done. Add these candy canes for the arms, and our snowman is complete. Finally, group the pieces so we can easily move him around the scene. Now, every Winter Wonderland needs a proper environment. If you haven't chosen one yet, pick an environment from the Environment menu. Since we want a nighttime scene, let's add the Night filter. Next, let's build a house. A cuboid from the Building Blocks category can serve as a wall. Go to the Material menu and add a texture you like. Add a door and windows from the Housing category. Make sure the wall is large enough to fit them. We can choose colors for the door and windows and add a warm yellow tint to the windows for a cozy glow. Now duplicate the wall. Hold Alt or select Duplicate in the menu, then position the copy to form the next side. Repeat that for the remaining walls. For the roof, choose this building block. Apply a roof texture, then change the color to white so it looks snow-covered. Use the arrows to adjust the block's shape and place it into position. Let's build a chimney. Place another cuboid, give it a proper material, and position it on the roof. You can duplicate it and assign a different texture to make it more detailed. From the Special menu, add a smoke particle system. And that completes our house. A Christmas tree will look great next to it, and of course it needs a few gifts underneath. You can keep adding details too, like this bench and a mistletoe. Attach the mistletoe to the house. You'll notice it doesn't attach exactly the way we want, but no problem. Just rotate it into place and you're good to go. Finally, let's add a path. Choose a path item from the Special category to serve as a walkway through our scene. Scale it up and adjust the width to your liking. Give it a texture, then shape it a little unevenly so it doesn't look too straight. You can add more points by holding Alt and dragging a point to duplicate it, or by choosing Edit Path and adding points there. Set the path to curved and make sure it's activated so it appears in play mode. Let's continue with our Winter Wonderland in the next part. See you soon!